Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video here. I've watched a lot of videos on doing this and I'm kind of interested in doing it myself. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna actually remove the gold off of these, put it through a chemical process, remove it, and actually make a gold nugget out of it. So all the other videos I've seen, they're using these to do it. Yes, it works. It kills your arm afterwards. These blisters on your hand. It's very difficult to do. Doesn't always get a clean cut. So started looking at different ways of doing this, and I have found the easiest solution to doing this. I already got quite a few done. This right here is your best friend. This is a tile saw. It's not a table saw, it is a tile saw. So it doesn't have teeth, but it cuts these perfectly, as long as you don't mind getting your hand closed. I cut a lot of tile, so I'm used to my fingers being close to it in the first place. As long as you're careful with it, it cuts right through. Let's cut a piece. Eye protection, of course. See, nice and easy, cuts right through it smoothly. Sometimes it throws them, but most of the time they fall down beside it into here, so you can safely catch them all. You don't need water for this because the blade's not going to be getting hot. On tile, yes, you would have water in that container. On here, you do not. I tried using the guard one, but a lot of these are different sizes, so it didn't work. But two, when you do use the guard to do it, if you want to do it safely, or try to, this is the problem. It goes underneath the guard. Even when you crank it down, it'll go underneath it. So it didn't really matter if I used it or not. I just started playing with it, and makes a nice clean cut. You get the whole stick off at once on most of them. Look at that. It's just a perfect cut with very little extra on it. The more of the board you can get off, the easier this process will be. So I hope this video helps anyone else trying to do this. I got a few more to go here, and then we'll start the chemical process. Thanks for watching.